Monday lunchtime before Christmas unboxing again. We're unboxing again on Monday before Christmas. I've got to tell you, I'm yelling. I am so stressed out. eBay told me this had been delivered. I went to my mailbox. Was it there? No. Was there a key? No. Can you reach them by phone? No. I got in the car. You know, first of all, tracking numbers, they're not easy to write down. I got in the car. Fortunately, the post office isn't far away. It's about an 8-9 minute drive. Phew. I drive to the post office. There's a line. 2 tellers are wearing their mask under their nose, idiots. 1 teller, big burly guy, wasn't wearing a mask at all. Everyone coming in were wearing masks. That's a good thing. I had to see the guy that could track down the tracking number. So I'm waiting. I waited like 20 minutes. I'm thinking someone's gonna open up their mailbox and maybe I won't get this. He says, you know, the mailman will meet you at the mailbox in 5 minutes. Of course it takes me 8 or 9. And I did beat him. I did beat him to the mailbox. He put the key in the wrong box. He opens it up, hands me the package. Oh, what did I do with the key? Oh, he put the key in the wrong box. It's too much, I tell you, it's too much! I'm very excited about this thing. It's not novel. Let's open this. It's not like I don't own a version of this already, but what's fun is I was on eBay and, you know, looking at alternates for what I own, and and I decided let's type in Corning Ware Casserole. This was not listed under Grab It. It was not listed under Casserette, which is what they're known for. You saw me unbox an amber one recently. So I have a white Grab It and I have an amber Grab It. I have the amber Casserette and I wanted a white Casserette. But I didn't find this under Casserette. He didn't put Casserette in the title or Grab It in the title. I was searching casseroles. And the model number does not match. Normally, a Visions is V14 and Corning Ware is a P-14 for the Casserettes. This, was listed as M145. M145. Brand new in box. Now what's really cool about this is not only is it supposed to come with a glass lid, it's supposed to come with a plastic lid too. Boy, he wrapped it well. He did wrap it well. My gosh. Friggin' post office. I'm too old. I'm too old for this dress. I'm just saying. They're not gonna make it easy on me. Put the key in the wrong box. Someone else would have gotten this. They wouldn't have let me know. Would they have said, oh, they put this in my mailbox by mistake? Maybe you believe in mankind. Okay, ooh. Microwave Plus. Microwave Plus. M145. Not P14, not V14, not Casserette. Covered oval casserole. Sometimes put in a word that you don't think you're looking for because I found this under casserole. How cool is that? And I think there was a date, 1984. So it's about the time of the Visions cookware that I own. Perfect size for individual portions, great for reheating leftovers. Store, cook, eat from the same dish. 1 glass cooking cover, 1 plastic storage cover. $25.90 shipped. How cool is that? All right, let's do it. We got to ruin the box. Okay, first thing I notice is it doesn't have the Corning Ware writing on it. Does it? No. Ooh. It does have Corning Ware embossed. It does say P14. It does say P14. Oh. Ooh. Recipe ideas. 1984 recipe ideas. Who's gonna make some recipes from this book? I am. Oh, cool, man. I don't have this booklet. Microwave plus browners. Are you getting the most from your microwave oven? Oh. Oh, this is fun. Where are the recipes? Ooh, recipes. We're gonna have to make a couple of Corning Ware recipes. Swedish meatballs, barbecue chicken, Manhattan clam chowder. Yeah, it says 84. 1184. Let's see. Let's see what condition the plastic is in. Oh, the plastic feels soft. Oh, it's a tight fit. Pretty cool. I hope I can clean this. So I have my amber casserette and my Corning Ware. Side by side. Pretty neat. I don't need more than this. One of each. They'll sit in my cupboard. Double unboxing day. I need a drink. Let's pour myself a glass of wine. This is leftover from our Saturday drinking binging. I could really use it right now. To Monday unboxing before Christmas, a gift I almost didn't get. Do I have one more thing coming? I've got a 10-inch Vision skillet coming that I'm going to season. We have to season it like we did the V6. Oh, I can't wait to use it. Very cool. Thanks for watching.